Did you know the word fragrance on a product label could be hiding hundreds of chemicals? Shocking. Today we're uncovering the truth about fragrances, why it's in everything, and what you should avoid to protect your health. Now, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Julie. I've been on the journey to reduce my toxic load for the past 10 years. I started with DIYs using essential oils, and it's been a wonderful and beneficial journey for me, so I love to share. So, welcome, and let's dive in. When you see fragrance on a product label, it's more than just a scent, it's a cocktail of synthetic chemicals. Now, companies are allowed to keep fragrance formulas a trade secret, so they don't have to disclose all the ingredients. And this means hundreds of potentially harmful chemicals could be hiding under that single word. Fragrance often includes phthalates, which help the scent last longer, but are known as endocrine disruptors. Other common chemicals can trigger allergies, asthma, headaches, and even skin irritation. And since we all use these products daily, exposure adds up over time. You'll find fragrance in perfumes, shampoos, air fresheners, candles, laundry detergents, even items labeled as unscented. Companies often use a masking agent to hide scents, so even those products may not be truly chemical free. So, how do you avoid these hidden chemicals? Look for terms like fragrance, parfum, or aroma, and instead choose products labeled as fragrance free or unscented. And then double check the ingredients for transparency. Trust brands that list every ingredient and opt in for natural scents like essential oils. Reducing your exposure to synthetic fragrances is one step closer to living toxin free. Start small by replacing one product at a time with a cleaner option, and you'll notice the difference in how you feel. And your home will smell amazing with these natural alternatives. Now, a cool thing about some essential oils is that when replacing your air fresheners with these powerhouses, the essential oils can actually clean the air of bacteria and viruses depending on the essential oil that you use. Catch the video I post at the end to find out which oils support this, and also a video providing a hack for diffusing. So, have you checked your product labels lately? And what surprising places have you found hidden fragrances? Let me know in the comments below. And please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on toxin free living. See you next time.